Carrying on from our last video, previously we've used a state machine to achieve the sensor function. We'll now use assembly code. On the right hand side we have the sequence of a good box and a bad box. For a good box, A goes to a 1, B goes to a 1, A goes to a 0, B goes to a 0. To enter bad box, B goes to a 1, the alarm is activated. The only thing that will take us out of bad box is a good box, so 1 1 and 0 1 will keep us with the alarm activated, and where A is a 1 we'll enter back to a good box function. The code itself is pretty standard with the exception of check bad, where it's been in a bad box, and in order to enter a good box we need A is equal to a 1 and B is equal to a 0. In our CJNE function here, if it remains at 2 it will remain in bad box, and any other state will allow it to exit to check bad. Our first function there, the JZ, if the accumulator is equal to 0 then it will go back to bad box. The next function, if the carry from the last CJ and Z was equal to 0, then the number was greater than 2, which in this case means that the number is equal to 3. So then we go back to the bad box function. If the accumulator is equal to 1, where A is a 1 and B is a 0, then it will allow it to continue to the good box function.